Okay, I guess we're live. Hey, we're just gonna go over this real quick. I'm gonna do it as fast as possible so we're not boring anybody. These are my collab stores in Shopify. I'm gonna be working on this website in order to put a new product that we're coming out with. You can see I've stubbed out the 2 products already in Shopify, so they're very stub. I've got some stub product information and price info on some new cool products that are coming out. So the task is to put these 2 PDF documents into the site, which is the existing website. This is prod. Okay, this is the shop. This is our existing products. You can see we're out of stock on some of them already, but I have added new products, but also the goal is, well, you can see that there's a very feature-rich website and we have a lot of pieces that we can modify on the site. So the other thing is that this site is not linked to Shopify because it's custom React. Well, I say React, but it's Hydrogen. So it's Shopify's Hydrogen. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to use the programmer's interface to modify, because it's in React, and I can go into all kinds of fun stuff as far as why we're using a programming interface to modify a Shopify website. However, it is what it is. I have stood this up in my own development environment. You can see it running here. It's at a totally different domain, and then I also have a development environment, dev. So I've prod dev and prod, and here we go. So I'm going to go over it where I'm creating an intent document. Now this whole code base has been a little bit not looked at in a while. Okay, now I want to take it up and modernize it with some new Shopify concepts. Perhaps they have some new stuff in their latest build. So that's what we're going to evaluate. I'm going to have the AI evaluate what's the situation of the current code base. We just got it put into our development environment. You can see it right there in front of your face. And let's rock. The way that I work is this. I have a little machine that'll help me kind of linearize my thoughts. I've already come up with the instructions for ChatGPT. I've already come up with the task intent that we're going to be doing, and then here's the code base in the background here. I'm going to put this over so I can come back. So this is the code base we'll be working with. Okay, and then I'm going to be talking to chat over here. Okay. So this is the setup. This is the lead in to what we're going to do. I'm just approaching it with the agent so that we can get these new products into the site along with some documentation and shore up anything that may be new and improved, that could be improved for our very fantastic site over here. Very beautiful, beautiful site. So I'll be back in part 2 to actually get to the work here.